We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for the smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with INDO, and in today's video we're going to talk about how INDO is the #1 possible short squeeze score stock right now and one of the top shorted stocks in the market. And if this was the squeeze already, or could it happen again? That's what we're going to discuss in today's video. And today the stock had started to push back up out of these recent lows, and it's kind of consolidated there, but it wasn't the only stock trying to push back up. The overall market was trying to push back up, and our SPY bot since 10 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and call options were up nearly 2x within an hour, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and it sends us direct notifications over at the Discord to maximize on opportunities, and you can now gain access to this as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over with the SPY bot. So in today's video, we're going to break it all down, what the short interest data is showing, how INDO is reacting, what 42 vision and the charts are showing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned over at the Discord, and we're going to jump into everything here with INDO stock, the #1 possible short squeeze score stock right now in the stock market. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was GFAI. We caught this one as it was pulling downwards in the pre-market under a bear indicator, quickly shifted back up with strength on 42 vision, ultimate 42 vision bull indicator, and within the first few minutes, it jumped up 15% plus, and it had multiple jumps of 5 to 10%, 10 to 15%. But from that low here at 103 to its highest point, it hit a 20% plus move, guys. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, once again, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with these charts. So here we are with INDO stock, and the stock has been pulling downwards, hit a recent bottom here of $21, bounced back up towards 27, almost a 20% jump in a matter of a few hours, and it's consolidated at this level. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, whether stocks are going up or going down. There's always an opportunity that can be maximized on. So here we are with INDO sitting under a bull indicator today on the 30-minute, and things just consolidated right after, right? It popped up around 24.20. It's sitting right now at 24.73, and it hit highs here of 27.67, give or take, right? So right now the stock has been in a downward trend. We're going to look at this from the bigger picture. We're going to look at the short interest data. And the one thing that we have to watch to know if there's an opportunity for shorts to get squeezed, because this does have an indirect correlation to oil, guys. That's the one thing you want to watch. You want to watch UK oil. You want to watch US oil. Is it going higher or is it going lower? And interesting enough, around the same time, it says here 16:30, right? Same time, all of them went up, right? Just about 30 minutes later, it popped up with a bull indicator here on INDO, but at 16:30, it was on the process of going higher. So oil will be the one indicator to watch indirectly how it affects this stock in particular and any other stock that is indirectly or directly correlated to oil, right? You can follow UK oil, you can follow US oil, all of them, whatever's happening in the bigger picture or within the microscopic levels, you will see what's going on here, and it could affect the charts. Now, apart from that, this right here that happened was in the process of a short squeeze. So some of this data either could be delayed or the short interest was much higher and some of the shorts did cover. And we're about to look at one of the most recent short interest data that have came out within the last several days, because this usually has a 48-hour delay period, but this has been the information since at least last Friday, and if it updates, it must be somewhere close to it or almost the same, right? So let me pull up the short interest data. So here on Fintel, it shows INDO is the number one short squeeze score, 99.83, has a days to cover of 0.20, which is kind of low. We actually want to be aware of that. That gives flexibility to the shorts to be able to cover and then actually reshort again. Very flexible. But the borrow fee rate is pretty high. This is one of the highest borrow fee rates I've seen in a while, okay? 771.96, and the short interest float is 80%, okay? That's huge. 80% is the short interest float. So INDO squeezed from way down here, starting at February 22nd, $4 and some change, all the way up to $86, came back down, and it's had small short coverings that have happened in the process. Like you could see those bounces, right? Now, they're becoming smaller and smaller. The question is, could this start all over? I'm not stating it's going to run just like it did here or go to 86, but could there be another short squeeze run that can form? Well, that's a possibility, but again, US oil has to start spiking up, break through $100, go back towards like 105, 110, creating that euphoric run of also the uncertainty, and then bringing oil prices up with it, as well as oil stocks bringing it up with it, and shorts getting squeezed out of their positions, because this was not just purchasing power, this was shorts getting squeezed out of their positions, and the amount of short interest that this stock has is immense, guys. Immense. Now, another thing too to look at is the average day volume, okay? The last 10 days was 18 million. Currently, it's sitting at around 3 million. And if that starts to pick up, then that could be a signification of possible strength. So right now, again, on the 30-minute, we are under a bull indicator. Let's pull up the bigger picture here and look at this. On the 4-hour, we've been under a bear indicator since way up here at $59. And right now, it's the first time since up here in the 40s that we have two green bars back to back. We need to see if this strength can continue, break through the highs there of 27, get above 30, which we're going to cover in just a moment, some of the key levels I'm watching. But within that process of breaking out, we do want to see a bull indicator pop up, just like it did here, not signifying that it's going to do the same move, but we want to see a bull indicator pop up to negate this bear indicator if there's a possibility of shorts getting squeezed out of their positions as this one goes higher. And there sure are some shorts that actually started shorting right now as this has been going back down from way up here. So those are the ones that can get squeezed out the quickest, as well as those that have been holding from down here, and even on the way up. Super important to realize how many shorts could get trapped here at 80% short interest of the float, guys. That's a lot. That is a lot. Now, let's go ahead and look here at the 1 day. Same thing. Been under a bear indicator since way up here in the 40s, pulling downwards, and we're currently back to back 3 dark green bars with red borders. We'll have to see this shift back up to dark green with green borders, or bright green, signifying some strength and reversal. But again, we're under bear indicators. The only one that's currently under a bull indicator is on the 30-minute, and we need to see if this breaks through 27, get back above 30, and then up here at $47 to $50, give or take, right? If you want to round that up in that area. 47 is the formal number, but you can also round that up to $50 as a resistance level to watch if the bulls are gaining strength and pushing up and creating support levels at these newer highs. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching.